What's going on, everybody? Well, I have successfully made my F100 into a convertible tonight. This is not permanent. This is a project I have had for quite some time, probably at least 9 years anyway, and probably 10, could be close to 11. I don't really know anymore, but anyhow, this was my granddad's truck, 67 F100, and the roof was in real bad shape on it, and we're going to put another rooftop on it. I've got one sitting right back yonder and under all that junk. Hopefully I haven't messed the hood or the roof up, and we're going to get that put on there, and we'll show y'all exactly what all we done. So we have took the laser level. I was doing TikTok, and I wish I would have been able to done 2 cameras or something like that, so I could have showed y'all on YouTube exactly everything that took place. But took laser level, got me some marks here. We went 1 3/16 inches from this notch up, and we leveled the front with the laser, so it's the same on both sides. Then we come back here on the back, and this truck has originally a piece of chrome trim that goes all the way around from the edge right here all the way around the back, and it was two-toned also, so we cut right in the middle of the two-tone. You can still see the half hole for the trim pieces, and we cut all the way across there, and we got our braces and everything right there, but and some braces here to help hold the back a little bit stiffer. But we're going to get this other rooftop over here out of the little storage area I've got over there in my shop. We'll try to get it put on maybe this weekend. But here's the old cab, the rooftop of it, and as y'all can see, it was in really bad shape all the way around. I think I've got a better video on my shorts if y'all want to check that out. But it's in real bad shape. This thing had sit out in a cow pasture for probably ever since like 90, all the way up till let's see, probably 2015 or 16. Like I said, I can't remember exactly when I got it from my cousin, but anyway, it's gonna be a long drawn out process. It already has been. I've had the truck tore apart now for probably 5 years, or at least 5 years, I know, because it was took apart whenever we moved to where we live at now. But anyway, appreciate y'all watching, and if y'all like this kind of stuff, give me a follow and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. And go over there to the TikTok and check me out on TikTok as well. I do quite a bit of stuff there on TikTok. YouTube I don't get to do as much, but anyway, really appreciate y'all, and y'all have a good one and be safe.